we'll guide you through how to organize your Google Drive photos for a more streamlined experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Drive on your desktop and locate the folder where you want to organize your photos. You can create a new folder by clicking the New button on the top left and selecting Folder from the drop-down menu. Name your folder something relevant, like Vacation 2026 or Family Photos. Drag and drop your photos into this new folder or use the Upload button to add pictures from your computer. Once your photos are in the folder, you can organize them by date or any other criteria. Click on the grid view icon at the top right for better visibility of your photos. You can sort them by clicking on the Sort button, where you can choose options like Last Modified, Last Opened, or Name. For easy access, you can add color to your folders by right-clicking on the folder, selecting Change Color, and choosing a color that helps you easily spot it. To add descriptions or notes to your photos, open a photo and click on the eye icon for details, where you can add comments or notes that will help you remember the context or the story behind the photo. Additionally, you can share your organized folders with friends or family by right-clicking on the folder, selecting Share, and entering their email addresses. This way, everyone can enjoy the memories and contribute their own photos. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.